Ori mio, ẹ̀dá mi o, orí mi ro ní kóre láyé mú wá. Orí mi o, ẹ̀dá mi o, orí mi ro ní kóre láyé mú wá. Hi guys, I'm Oshun Femi, and this is Ori Class. Close your eyes and feel the darkness around you. Try deleting all your mind and not think about anything. Just observe the sound of silence and realize that you cannot be alone, because you will feel the presence of your being around you. Such was the universe. Everything that surrounded Olorun was its very divine being. Darkness was part of its DNA before emerging into light. The light, however, did not stem from the dark, because darkness is the absence of light. So, Olorun is present in the infinite, for he inhabits all that we can imagine, or we will never have the ability to architect. The light came without effort or need, for the light has always been an integral part of Olorun. This light is the consciousness of the Creator himself, and the evolution of Olorun's thoughts in its magnitude expanded into infinity, forming Orun, heaven, that became a reflection of Olorun himself. We cannot see Orun, but we know it exists. Its reflection and state of existence says Olorun is present in the universe we inhabit. However, we are able to see the Orisha that inhabit Orun. They manifest in our religious culture. This is proof that Olorun lives and is present as he delegates his powers to the other divinities that inhabit Orun. And Olorun ordered Obatala to create Aye. Aye summarizes everything we know, and we can see that there is, in its essence, the existence of Olorun and the other divinities. So, he is expanding forever. Everything we see, touch, hear, or feel are vibrations in different frequencies that we have the ability to interpret and or distinguish. For us, Orun is home, and the physical earth is the marketplace. The physical universe is a mere physical representation of the spiritual reality in heaven. And we travel back and forth.